Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Google Chrome browser that was released today. Majority of users, of course, are using Google Chrome, which is the dominant browser right now. So Chrome 95 should be either already updated automatically on your system, or if you want to check it out, go in the upper right corner and go into Help and About Chrome, and you should see that you're at version 95.0, not 4638.54, and that is as of today, October 19th, 2021. So this is a new version that is coming out. Next version, Chrome 96, will be available next month on the 16th. And, well, what is happening with this? What's the new features in here? Not really a lot of front-facing features, but one of the things that is official in this version is that FTP websites or FTP file transfers are totally gone from Chrome, and even FTPS, which is the secure version, is not going to work. One of the reasons also that, so two reasons Google is actually giving for the removal of FTP. First, because of lack of use of FTPS, the secure one for encryption. So they deem that it's not very secure. And also the fact that there are out there a lot of FTP clients that actually do the job well. And that instead of doing it in the browser, they thought, better do it with a good FTP client. There's an enforcement in the size of cookies name and value. So before the change, the attributes, the length of the attributes were set up to 4096 byte for the entire set cookie line. Now this is going down to a length of 1024 bytes at most for the for each attributes that are being set. So technically that should enforce kind of less of a snooping protocol, because since the cookie will have less information in it, there will be possibly less information being kept. So, but anyways, it's aligned with Mozilla Firefox, and it's mostly to improve the operability between browsers. There's a user agent now that is in here. So of course, when you go to websites with the browser, what happens is that when you go to these websites, you are directed sometimes to a page that tells you, oh, well, this is, Windows 10, this is Windows 7, this is Windows 8. But it wasn't super precise. It was not able to say, this is Windows 10 version 20H2, which are small updates. So they're so small in reality that you need to actually kind of tweak and go and check a little more in order to know what version you are on. So the new user agent client now is capable of making a difference between Windows 11, Windows 10, different feature updates, and minor or major versions. And so this is going to be the future now, where there's a little more, they're capable of a little more precision in what you are using in Windows. So there's also a deprecation. So URLs, or the address that you see in the top, can contain some numbers in the end. And the problem with that is that a lot of IPv6 hostings are capable of this. And what they're saying is that it's kind of an exploit could technically be done with that type of implementation. And so URLs that have non-IPv4 host names that are ending in numbers, so IPv6 and so on, will actually not work. Or if they do, there's kind of a buffer time when this is going to happen. The real implementation to be gone will eventually arrive. They say that this change will affect only 0.0003% of host names, so it doesn't it won't have much of an impact. But it's possible that a website that you go to might actually not work well suddenly. If it's ending in the address bar is with numbers, it's possible. Apart from that, there are some developer stuff. So there's an iDropper API that is introduced to allow sites like PowerPoint Online, for example, to integrate browser-supplied iBrowser to custom color pickers and all sorts of little things like that are really in the internal stuff of Google Chrome. There's the payment authentication mechanism that's being enhanced, so for improved security. And so that's pretty much, the stuff that's in here. Not a lot of front-facing feature for the average user in general. And of course, there's a lot of security updates. If you don't care about whatever new thing is in here, security updates are in here. So we're going to talk about that next in the next video. So if it's at least for security updates, do it. Once again, upper right corner, go to help, go to about Google Chrome, and you should be updated to 95. Today, Tuesday, October 19th, 2021. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.